When people ask me my body count, I'm like, listen, I don't even know how to count this. What do you say if you go to an orgy with 80 people and you're doing this like 5 times in a month? How do you count your body count? मेरा funniest is still भैया मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है. He actually was enjoying watching me with his wife. Like he didn't want me to like penetrate him in front of his wife. We went on later. I met him a couple of times on the cruise alone as well, where we did a lot of fun stuff. I am very shallow. I need people to be good looking and rich. Okay?
Of course, you talk a lot about sex and wellness and health. I also want you to talk to young people about protection and how safely they can have sex.
This is an HIV medicine of someone who has it. He said, yeah, darling, I told you, right? I'm HIV positive. So I'm looking at Ankur saying, what is he saying? That means I've really slept with someone where the condom is broken where he is HIV positive. This is not red flagging. This is red flag times. This is like alert level or whatever.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new episode of Oversharing with the Jimru. With me, of course, is Paras, जो छाए हुए हैं हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे. एंड मैं बिल्कुल शुरुआत में ही बोल्ड हो गया हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इनसे पूछ लिया भैया आपकी उम्र क्या है. एंड ही सेड 40.
How old did you think I was?
I know you must be 30.
अरे 27 बोल दे मैं ज्यादा खुश हो जाऊंगा. Give a lesser number ना.
No, but वो हमारी बात हो गई थी ना कि
Exactly.
मैंने यहाँ काम किया मैंने वहाँ काम किया तो उस हिसाब से आई गेस ऐसे you must be 30.
तो 40 साल का तभी तो I'm becoming a sugar daddy. That's why that's happening, no?
Lovely. Of course, I see a lot of sugar around. He has a very fancy house, I must say.
Thank
And
you.
you're very, very warm.
Thank you.
That you agreed, rather volunteered to be like कि अरे इधर आके shoot कर ले. That was very kind of you.
Sure.
मैं आया हूँ बहुत ही छोटी ट्रिप के लिए, so I thought I'll have a conversation. First of all, I'm really impressed with what you've created.
Mhm.
You started on TikTok when it comes to your brand, and now it's bigger than ever. There's Stud Muffin, there's Paras Ke Nuskhe. How did that start, and did you actually imagine it to become what it has become?
So, TikTok is where we went viral, Arun. मैं ना स्किन केयर बहुत ज़्यादा करता है. मेरी स्किन की हमेशा वाट लगी रहती है. So what happens is मेरे पास पिंपल आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है, वो हो रहा है, and I would keep studying so much. Plus we come from a family heritage जहाँ पे आयुर्वेदा था, ये था, वो था, बहुत ज़्यादा था. अब 4 मिलियन तो मेरे फॉलोअर थे. जर्नलिस्ट वाला दिमाग था, like I was telling you. So in my head, you know, when you're starting any business, the simple rule is the 1% rule. If you feel even 1% of the people will actually put the money down on the table, they'll buy something, you have a business that you can start. 2019 में we started Nuske by Paras. अब फिर 2020 में we started Stud Muffin. So I met Ankur, who's my current partner. हमको शिमला में मिला था. And it was very cool. Then we started Big Pucci, which was 2 years ago, which is our clothing brand. What has been incredible is the fact that my brand is based on just my own life. I mean, I'm talking about the boys I'm sleeping with, the women I'm sleeping with, where I'm traveling, what I'm doing. मेरे को जब अपनी sexuality के बारे में खुद ही confused हो गया था, crystals में घुस गया मैं. And it helped me iron out my own stuff. Now, because everyone is watching my journey, now we also sell crystals. एक लड़का था मेरे को बहुत प्यार हो गया. I dated him for 2 years. He never knew it. We started saris with him. So for us, it's been literally a snowball effect. And what's been interesting is वो मस्ती हो रही है and we're just having a great time.
Yeah, जो नजर आ रहा है on your reels, on your content, of course the products and the range that you have, like Big Pucci, as you said.
Yeah.
It's quite like staple for you or for your content. You're so out there, right? कितनी candidly आप अपने sexual encounters की बात करते हैं. कभी ना कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार कल को ये of course because internet की memory बड़ी sharp होती है, backfire भी कर सकता है. I don't know how though, but do you ever fear that?
I never fear that because the one thing if you notice is I only talk about my life, Arun. You must have never seen me commenting on other people and what they're doing.
Basically, you're not revealing who you're sleeping with, but you're just revealing that you are sleeping with someone.
So if that person is out, they are part of my journey. You see them. I've had a lot of people I was sleeping with, dating, who've been seen because they're also out. But if someone is not out, I don't do it. The other thing which I am very careful about is मैं हर चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. But when I travel so much, when I'm traveling to countries where it is not okay, it is not legal, then I don't talk about it there. Because I always keep saying you have to be a law-abiding citizen. The morals change होते रहते हैं, legal system important होता है. Now in my case, since your podcast is very rightly called oversharing, the more I talk about threesomes, the more couples will straight up walk up to me and say, सुनो हमारी fantasy मेरे को करना है. ये तो बड़ा अच्छा है, मेरे को मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लड़कों के
You're talking about hetero couples?
Hetero couples. So you'll have a husband and a wife who just show up and this and that. It's really cool. My last cruise, I love cruises. Okay, my last cruise.
Please tell us about this in detail because बड़ा कमाल का तरीका cruise वालों ने निकाला है, which Paras told me, and I was like, wow, that's nice. That's an interesting tweak.
तो cruise पे बड़ा मजा आता है. The phenomena is called a reverse pineapple. Okay, so if you have a sticker on your cruise cabin, which is a pineapple, but तुम उसको उल्टा चिपका दो, उसका मतलब होता है you're a swinger couple. So if outside your hotel, cabin, wherever, you put a ulta pineapple ka sticker, It means you keep the door slightly open and you're a couple who's willing to have a third person join you.
But this is a cruise only meant for like sexual activities, or it's a regular.
It's a regular cruise. बच्चे भी खेल रहे हैं, बुड्ढे भी चल रहे हैं, वो रहे. They're
But
not
then there are
adult
these
cruises.
stickers which they have given.
It's like if you and I go to a gym, okay? And if I just want to flirt with a guy and I just say whatever, I'm using that space, right? So in a cruise, the pineapple thing is a very normal phenomena. By the way, this also in many hotels also they have it. It's just that in most hotels, because people come and go for 2-3 days, वो होता नहीं है. On a cruise 14-15 दिन के लिए आप हाँ. अच्छा, इस वाले क्रूज पे क्या होता है, हर क्रूज पे एक अंदर का एक इंटरनल मैसेंजर होता है जिसपे आप अपना नाम चेंज कर दो. मैंने तो प्राइड फ्लैग लगा दिया, टॉप वाला डाल दिया, सारी चीजें डाल दी, पाइनएप्पल भी डाल दिया. पीपल स्टार्टेड मैसेजिंग मी. So there were lots of these married men who would come and say, listen, I've got like 20 minutes before my wife finds out, let's do this. एक दिन एक बंदा था, मेरे बहुत मजे किए उसके साथ, मैं उसको बुफे में मिल गया. उसकी बीवी भागते हुए आके बेचारा डर गया. So I was like, no, bro. And she asked, and she said, how do you know him? I said, oh, I met him at the gym and this and that, whatever. So later he messaged me saying, so thanks, bro, for like, covering me or whatever. But sexual encounters outside are very easy. Even as someone who, I keep saying this, यार आज से 20 साल पहले we had to fight for gay rights. We had to talk about. कल मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, दोनों 18-19 साल के हैं, हम वो ना मेरे से बात करते हैं, मैं सोचा मैं गे बन जाता हूँ, तुम लोगों का सेक्स ज़्यादा होता है. I said, today's generation, I always tell them, don't be in a hurry to label yourself. You don't need to anymore.
And बन जाता हूँ जैसी चीज कोई होती नहीं है.
होती नहीं है, but a lot of people might, I mean, that I think, you might pick a path. I know a lot of from older people, I know a lot of people who are actually gay but are married. So they have picked a life path. So I तो think it's great because सिर्फ मेरे को यूरोपियन लड़के इतने अच्छे लगते हैं. I like the Asian men a lot. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मेरे को गड़बड़ जाते हैं. They're all bigger than me, so they kind of want to like do me. To which I'm like, भैया मेरे को दर्द होगा. तो वहाँ थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो जाती है. But in these kind of places, it's so open, and these guys don't have the funda or the definition of which way do you swing. You like someone, you vibe, and they're like, bro, let's go. एक तो bro has become very confusing. Bro means nothing anymore. So,
yeah.
I mean, so it's just
in the
like
dating scene, women are
yeah.
calling their crushes bro,
Yeah.
and it has become a मतलब भाई वाली बात नहीं है. It's just like a.
पर मेरा funniest is still भैया मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है. That has been one of my favorite ones, and I'd be like, okay.
You said this to someone or someone? Oh, acha, just.
I was like, okay. Hashtag we care. I'll go slower.
Oh, somebody said to you.
But that keeps happening.
Sorry. So you were saying this cruise concept, right? The fact a lot of things on the sea are legal. जैसे अब casino, जैसे अब India में it's banned, of course, but in Goa we see, of course, cruises पर. वैसे ही this was happening, right? In a country where it was banned, like
yeah. So I was
homosexual relationships are banned.
So first of all, a lot of countries across the world are not as LGBT friendly as we think.
Of course.
इंडिया में बहुत लोगों को बैठ के लगता है हमारी कंट्री रिग्रेसिव है. जितनी छूट हमको यहाँ मिलती है ना, most countries don't have it. Whether it's the Middle East, whether it's Europe is very conservative. I know people think that Europe is very open. It's not. You have to understand the whole homophobia and a lot of the Roman Catholic Church telling people that it's wrong.
It's all
comes
Victorian
from Europe.
values.
It comes
Victorian,
from there.
Yeah.
तो ये तो देखो हर जगह होता ही है. But I don't specifically talk about countries because I move around a lot now, so it becomes difficult
be
for
careful.
me. Yeah, but I again, like I said, if I'm in a country जहाँ पे ठीक नहीं है, follow local laws. तुमको घर आके जो content डालना है डाल दो, वहाँ मत डालो. And generally, Arun, when you're traveling, what I like is like Grindr मैं यूज करता हूँ. एक तो मेरी दिक्कत Grindr पे, मेरे को लोग बोलते हैं you're using Paras का photos. I'm like, why will I fake myself? So मैं voice note भेज देता हूँ. Now the thing is, here everything is very like, are you top, are you bottom, are you this, are you that? It's too much work. So I generally like people. For me, confidence is sexy. For me, openness is sexy. So I generally like people say, bro, I like your vibe, let's go. वो बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. The whole thing of you're sitting in a nice country, you're sitting in a nice cafe, को cute सा लड़का लड़की आ गए, बात हो गई, and you're like, hey, want to go back to my hotel? That's it.
Right. So we were on the threesome that you were talking about with heterosexual couples.
He's like, Suno, come back to the threesome. मेरे को जानना है उसके बारे में.
Exactly, because
one of the many threesomes, Arun, that's always happening in my life. When people ask me my body count, I'm like, listen, I don't even know how to count this. What do you say if you go to an orgy with 80 people and you're doing this like 5 times in a month? How do you count your body count?
Damn, 80 people.
तुमने कितनी orgies की है?
क्या यार, एक भी नहीं पारस.
क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
Exactly, मुझे all of a sudden ऐसे realize ये क्या हो रहा है? That's why I was like, wait, tell me about that threesome. And here we're talking about 80
okay,
people.
I will threesomes are unusual. You keep doing some stuff. A lot of couples, cuckold is very big. But to be fair, what I actually really enjoy is I enjoy going to gay saunas, gay bathhouses where you just walk in, everyone is naked. There'll be like 200, 300 people there who are like nanga, you're doing whatever you want. What I also really enjoy are just like parties where you're chilling नंगा बैंकॉक. इसमें तो आधे टाइम तो मैं किसी भी कंट्री से बाहर जाऊं, मैं आते हुए से बैंकॉक में माथा टेक के आ जाता हूँ. So I'll take a connecting flight, 2-3 दिन गए, go to all the crazy streets in Bangkok. I know exactly when anyone's going gay, straight, bi, whatever. I'm like, मेरे से बात करके जाना. I will tell you the best places in Thailand to go to. So like one of the last
Can you name 3 best places? Sorry, hold that thought, whatever you were going to say.
so
But
Ceylon,
before that,
s- i-
3
if
places.
you're someone who likes men and if you're gay or bi, Ceylon is the best place. Ceylon is basically soy ka matlab hota hai street. So soy for Ceylon, that's where all the clubs and all are, and all the gay bathhouses are the gay saunas. There's one gay sauna called Sauna Mania, which is incredible. That is the one place which is incredible. There's another place called Chakran Sauna, Phoenix Sauna. These are three saunas that I go to very often. I don't say the name because you end up meeting people. तुम नंगे हो ऐसे कोई आके तुमको बीच में सोना के बीच में बोलते मैंने आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज किया. I'm like भाई अब मैं क्या बोलूँ तेरे को. So Silom is the best place in Bangkok. And otherwise, the thing about Bangkok generally is you can walk around anywhere. You find people. It's not difficult. It's really cool. मेरे दोस्त जब मेरे साथ बैंकॉक जाते हैं, they said, "Yeah, this is not fair. Straight बंदों को बहुत खर्चा करना पड़ता है because Bangkok for straight guys is mostly sex workers you're paying.
Yeah.
For gay boys, you just go to any place, you pick up anyone, you have a great day. तुम्हारा तो खर्चे ही नहीं, हमारा तो बहुत खर्चे हैं रोज के. I said, now, you know, that is a choice you have made in your life. करो पैसे खर्च.
Sorry, again we digress. So you were going to start the threesome story.
Okay, so the threesome story. Now, which one should I tell you? There's so many of them.
The best one that you've had.
You want a gay threesome story? You want a straight threesome story?
Both.
Okay, so my last gay threesome when I was on another cruise, I was actually on a cruise which was coming from Japan. I met this one guy who was very cool. I don't know. I think he was from Uzbekistan. Okay, so he didn't speak a word of English. हम ऐसे गए हमारा कुछ ऐसे hey what's up वाली बात हुई है. And when I saw he was cute, I kind of looked the way he looked at me. I really take a U-turn and said, hey, where are you from? Realizing instantly we can't speak the language. But fair enough, we sort of exchanged whatever cabin numbers and this and that. वो आ गया मेरे रूम में नहा धो के, which I'm always very grateful for. And so we, I mean, had sex. I fucked him. I had a great time. बात हो नहीं पा रही थी. बाद में we were in the. अच्छा उसकी fantasy थी. He wanted to have sex in the balcony of the cruise. So a lot of people don't take premier rooms like that. So with me, he was like, dude, this is so cool. मजे वजे किया. Now on a cruise, you're there for 14-15 days. So you keep meeting people. So 2-3 times and he had a lot of fun and he was kind of fun. वो Google Translate करके बात करते थे. Then he said, oh, there's this other guy you want to try. So we kept shifting a lot of guys together. We would sometimes get another top. We would sometimes get more bottoms. And it's always fun. 3 लॉन्डो के साथ क्या होता है मस्ती भी हो रही है. एकदम तो दूध थे बहुत दारू वारू पी ली बेड से गिर रहे हैं कुछ हो रहा है ये हो रहा है वो सब मस्ती हो रही है. And what happens with 3 people is I feel that threesomes are better when you are not dating anyone. So if I'm dating a guy or if I'm dating a girl, you do a threesome, उसपे थोड़ा politics आ जाती है कि
Territorial हो जाता
तुमने
है.
उसको किस भी किया था, तुमने ज़्यादा कुछ किया था. One of the threesomes on this other cruise, which was a straight threesome, was I was sitting, ऐसे कुछ पता नहीं कुछ event चल रहा था, वो stars के बारे constellation कुछ दिखा रहा था, बड़ा boring astronomy type event था. There was this one very good looking couple that came next to me who ended up being Spanish. And उन्होंने ऐसे गप्पे वप्पे मारी, they were very good looking. अब जब बात होती है जैसे यहाँ पे होता है गिव मी योर इंस्टा फेसबुक व्हाटएवर यूजुअली पीपल डू से लेट्स व्हाटएवर तो द मोमेंट ही आस्क्ड फॉर माय आईडी ऑन द चैट ही सॉ ऑल द फ्लैग्स एंड ही सॉ द रिवर्स पाइनएप्पल. So he said, oh, and they kind of laughed and they said something to each other, which I kind of figured what it was. So, and of course, I've put my intention right there, whatever. So he said, you know, we kind of want to try it. And I think they were married recently. Must be about a couple of months. So nothing, we said whatever. And he said, I'm going to meet you at night. So we went to one of the clubs on the cruise. We must have danced for about exactly 5-10 minutes. वो तो जब तुमने पहली बात कर ली फिर वो पिकअप ली फिर तो हम भी सोचे भाई हम यार टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हैं चल लेते हैं. Went to the room and so the moment we went there was this little awkwardness. Not for them it must be awkward. I'm to like ready. So I was just like listen, my kink is I want to watch you guys in action. Which I also realize as a veteran threesome person now when you let the couple only start फिर उनकी awkwardness नहीं है कोई. वो जब शुरू हो गया whatever then there's a point where दोनों they're like begging कि भाई अब तो आ जा. So I kind of joined them. It was really nice. I also enjoy ऐसे में smoking is not my thing at all but vape था उनके पास. मैंने उसका vape ले लिया. In a cruise room vaping is not a problem. Nothing gets triggered. तो मैं बैठा हूँ आराम से मस्त वेप कर रहा हूँ मेरा टशन वाला तो हो रहा है ऐसा हो रहा है. And then when they called me then it's really fun. He actually was enjoying watching me with his wife. To be fair he didn't want me to do anything to him. Like he didn't want me to like penetrate him in front of his wife. But as we went on later, I met him a couple of times on the cruise alone as well, where we did a lot of fun stuff. And the dynamics of a threesome are always interesting with a married couple because there is a lot of passion. There's obviously some animal instinct that sort of comes out between them. And for me, one of the hottest things is to go down on a girl with another guy because it's also very homoerotic, right? You've got like a good looking guy's face right next to तुम्हारी जीभ वीभ निकल रही है, कुछ आ रही है. It is called oversharing, this podcast. So it is very much in theme with what I'm going with.
For the first time ever.
I
Because I
was
keep getting these DMs on Instagram or YouTube. Oh, I love how you keep it so clean, is what they say. And I always tell them, I never hold it against anybody who's,
yeah.
doing mature content or whatever. But this is for the first time ever.
I was in Korea
हाँ.
and अच्छा कोरिया के जो बाथ हाउसेस थे वो अलग टाइप के थे, मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया. We went and did crazy stuff. मैं निकल रहा था वहां से, हो गया था. I had already slept with like 3-4 guys whatever. मैं 3-4 घंटे चिल कर चुका था वहां पे. बाहर निकलने वाला था. There was this very 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 cute guy. I think he was Colombian if I remember correctly. So I said, hey, you're really cute or whatever. बात सब नंगे होते, तो you pretty much just like walk up to any guy and say whatever. He said, yeah, all right, but he's like, I'm with a partner. So I said, okay. So I said, let's go. He's like, no, but we're looking for another bottom. So I said, okay, that's not my scene. So मेरे को पता चल गया इस पे कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. So when I saw the top guy, he was also very good looking guy. So he said, you're sure you don't want a bottom? अब मैं मन में सोचा, मैंने तो नो बोलते तो कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसे मैं बाद में देख लूंगा. I said, okay, we'll figure. He said, you're sure? I said, okay. So we went up. I had such a blast. Okay, so we went up basically in a gay sauna. Everything is neon lights. It's all dim lit. There'll be porn playing everywhere. The condom dispensers everywhere. It's pretty wild. So he came with like some oodles of very cooling lube and whatever, and I was having a brilliant time, like humping the daylights out of his boyfriend. उसको मजा आ रहा था, देख रहा था, कुछ कर रहा था. He was doing something, but I was also occasionally kissing him. मैंने मस्ती वस्ती कर ली. उसके बाद this guy was just like, so like my turn, whatever. I said, listen, really, I really can't do it anymore or whatever. उसको पता चल गया होगा, but so he said, don't worry, I really had a good time. I'm anyways on PrEP. PrEP is the medication with after you take it, you don't get HIV and stuff. So I'm always on that. And that one was pretty wild. Uske baad, very like sweetly, I met this other guy. I fucked him. Then we went out, had some ramen noodles in Korea. हमारी दोस्ती हो गई. फिर हमने TikTok बना दिया था. As in Insta reel बना दी थी.
I went to a non-sexual sauna, which is, I think they call it Jimjilbang. Is that the pronunciation?
Non-sexual, you've lost me already.
In Korea, so that's what I went for. And of course, it's a community thing for them. And for them, I think nudity is also anyway pretty
Korean locker rooms, when you walk in, everyone is naked.
Exactly. And which is when I was like, what is happening? I did a story time also on that. But that was quite a cultural
walk into
shock.
A Korean locker room, एक तो सब बहुत चिकने होते हैं. Okay.
I said the exact same thing. It seems like सब आपके आंखों के सामने flash हो रहा है because they're so white.
They're also, and they're really good looking chikna guys and whatever. And I had to culturally tell myself, even in Japan, for example, everyone is nanga and it's not sexual to them.
Yeah.
In India, naked equals sexual. That's not how it is across the world. Like in Japan, they have the onsens. Onsens
which
are these
is where it
baths.
has come from, because they had colonized Korea. That's where it has come
same, yeah. But
from.
Korea is, I love Korean boys. I think they're very cute, and they're all, there's no friend of gay straight, but I think they're all good to go.
But Paras, tell me one thing, जो मैंने सबसे पहले पूछा भी कि वो जजमेंट का डर नहीं रहता. Of course, I said पहले कि बाद में, आज से 10 साल बाद, but अभी भी, because I often see this on जितने भी youngsters या Gen Z जो लोग podcast कर रहे हैं, when they talk about their sexual experiences, because I think they're much more liberated, and of course they have a lot to search over the internet, and when they are very vocal about their experiences, उन्हें बहुत hate आता है कि हमारी generation को क्या हो गया, this and that. You've seen life through decades, but I'm sure वो judgment वाला phase तो आता होगा, and probably your audience is, of course, mature as well. Of course, a lot of young people also follow, but I'm sure 30 plus people also follow you. Don't you fear judgment? Because जैसे अभी मैं सुन रहा हूँ, all I'm imagining is people commenting कि ये क्या हो गया, or they're gonna find it weird. Did it never cross your mind कि
I guess
that लोग क्या कहेंगे syndrome?
I guess you'll only tell me once you put this out and you see the comments, because I've never had. Yeah, I've been out since I was 17.
Being out is different, but being
even on social media.
No, but talking about your sexual experiences
Yeah.
in so much of detail.
But what I've told you is very mild compared to what I talk about on my own platforms. So in my case, why is it that as an entrepreneur, I was willing to also sort of put my sexuality on my labels? It's because for some reason, me being so open, what will you troll someone for when the guy is only being so open? So मेरे को तो पता नहीं, मेरी, I don't know. I don't think we ever really got trolled. I've never seen it. I always feel like
but I'm not talking about being out here. I'm not talking about the sexuality part. I'm talking about the sexual acts that you go in detail about. And of course, India ye, or hame,
can I tell you something? I think India is one of the most liberal countries in the world, where I'm telling you, the amount of stuff you can say in this country, you can't say this.
Of course.
I've never had this problem. I've never had.
Lovely.
But again, the good part is when you see, इस पे तो comments आपके ही channel पे जाएंगे, तो you'll be able to see them. I've never had that problem.
But that's lovely.
इनफैक्ट मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ, मेरा तो उल्टा है अरुण। मैं जब इतना खुल के बात करता हूँ, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको देखो सबके अंदर बहुत चुल मचती है, सबको फैंटेसीज लिव करनी है, सबको सबको करना है, पीपल वांट टू फक
No, I would
एवरीवन,
say हाँ, इंडिया में सब कुछ हो रहा है, but it's just
पीपल।
that we don't talk
सो
about
विद
it.
समबडी लाइक मी हु सो ओपन, एक्चुअली उल्टा होता है। मोस्ट पीपल विल आस्क मी भाई कैसे होता है एग्जैक्टली, सो बिकॉज़ आई एम सो ओपन, उनको लगता है इस बंदे से तो बात करते फिल्टर ही नहीं है कोई। तो
Hmm.
विद मी इनफैक्ट इट्स बीन उल्टा। आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक हेल्प मी आउट where it's not done anything, but I'm very curious to know now when you put this out. I really want to see the comments. It'll be really cool. Also on my own platforms that doesn't happen because also we as a brand and a company moved away from my platforms. Most people who are seeing my content are not my followers. You're seeing ads. So you might have people whatever, but अच्छा, for example, सिर्फ मैं एक चीज सोचता था, there was a point in my life where I wanted to, because I'm bi, I wanted to get married, I wanted to have a baby. तब हम हंसते थे कि अगर when I was 35, like यार तुम शादी वादी कर रहे हो तो बाराती तो तुम्हारे सारे मैं हिक्की के दिखा रहा हूँ, सब वीडियोस देख के हंस रहे होंगे कि मैं कोई कल मैंने लॉन्डे की बहुत ली है, ये है, वो है। But the thing is, if you're so open about your life, then how do you, I mean it's fine, I guess it's okay.
And your dad is also so cool about it, and
Oh. So
he has
dad,
a separate fan base.
yeah, so dad passed away 2 years ago. I don't think you know that, but my dad was
I'm
one of
so
my
sorry, I did not.
biggest allies. अच्छा, मेरे dad, if I was dating a guy or a girl, there was so many times my dad said, सुने ये लड़की को तुमसे पैसे चाहिए, ये sugar daddy ढूंढ, ये लड़का अच्छा है. So dad was pretty cool. Secretly, of course, I think he still at some point wished for me to get married and this and that. But he was literally my partner in crime. We would go to places. He would, if he saw a cute guy looking at me, he would wave to the guy. I was like, Dad, can you calm down? So he was, this is the one thing I tell everyone who's trying to come out to their parents or come out to people. I always tell people, you don't have to come out to the world. Just tell your parents, and the moment your parents know it, you are so strong. फिर तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But I've never had this problem actually. It's very interesting because even again, yeah, we run a business. The company's worth 2,500 crores today. If I feared this angle as an entrepreneur, I would not put love is love on every single product of mine.
And काफी समय से, I think from the beginning.
From the beginning, we've been very open about it. तो मतलब कौन क्या ही बोल लेगा, and also like this is we are one of the handful of countries in the world where the third gender is recognized. We are one of the handful of countries in the world, when you really count how many countries it's decriminalized, people think it's very liberal. No, there are only that many countries where being homosexual is not a problem.
Which is your most popular product?
The Puss Puss. The Puss Puss is with skincare, it's my most popular product. That's an Ayurvedic formulation. उससे लोगों के बाल बहुत ज़्यादा उगते हैं. And the thing about our company is the name of the product is Puss Puss. My company is called Big Pucci. I think a lot of the stuff which was irreverent, the other thing which is very popular, which I will give you today for sure, is the pyrite. Okay, show me that, Shakti.
Yeah, because when I checked Paras's frame and I was like, Paras, you're glowing. And he said, I have put on something.
This is the pyrite. This is the one crystal which is for money abundance. Arun, ये मेरे घर में ना आपको हर जगह दिखेगा. Again, it's here because this is the northeast of my house. We sell, this is, I will give this to you. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, 14-15 दिन में you will call me and you'll like, dude, there is so much money coming into my life. Okay? This crystal is called the Fool's Gold. It is a money magnet. It will change your life, I guarantee you. This is one of the most popular things. And here's what this has done, okay? People already trusted me as an entrepreneur because I was talking about my life constantly. I was talking about my life very openly. You buy a pyrite from me and you see your life changing, automatically your belief in Paras goes up so much, you buy everything else from me. And that crystal, I tell everyone when I give it to them, I said, 14 दिन के बाद तुम्हारे को खुद फोन करके बताएगा. And when they call me, like, मैंने विश्वास नहीं, but people who know me have seen my life change like mad. This is definitely I don't know which one is bigger because एक skincare है, एक crystal है. But the two big products, one is Puss Puss, very technical name. One is the pyrite.
But you also mentioned PrEP in the conversation, and I think it's very important you address that. While people, of course, you talk a lot about sex and wellness and health. I also want you to talk to young people about protection and how safely they can have sex.
So someone like me who is a bona fide, like I really enjoy sex. Okay, I have a good time with it. I also experiment with it a lot. PrEP, basically you're having one capsule a day or one tablet a day. Okay, now you have to simply get a kidney function test done, because when you're having PrEP, on some people your kidneys can get damaged. So once you start taking it for a month, उसके बाद आप एक बार test करा लो तो आपको पता है the medication is not ruining your kidneys and stuff. Now once you're on PrEP, you can have as much sex as you want in this and that. Of course, when you're in these really promiscuous places, it's a good idea to wear a condom. अब लेकिन यार जब बोलते हैं I'll give you a blowjob with a condom, वो क्या है? Like I don't want to get blown with one condom on, so that I can't really do. But PrEP, of course, I also want to say PrEP only protects you against HIV. There's several other
Oh.
diseases you can still contact. So you can't be completely carefree with it, or you can't be careless with it. But I think PrEP is great. In India, a lot of people don't know what PrEP is. PrEP is pre-exposure prophylaxis. It means you have it pre-exposure. If you feel like you've gone to a place जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कुछ कांड हो गया, then you get something called PEP, which is post-exposure prophylaxis, and you should take it within 48 hours of your exposure. And I have had a time where मेरी prep की medicine खत्म हो गई थी. Also across the world, prep is not very easy to find. India is very easy to find. फिर मैं भाग रहा था ऐसे भाई मेरे को कुछ ढूंढना है. I had this one case. I was in this was my father and me and my chachu. We were actually on a trip. We were on some temple town. And I met this one guy who I must have had some crazy. मैं उसको 3-4 बार मिल चुका था. एक दिन for something happened. I think the condom had broken. But I'm on prep and this is such a ठीक है because that is the reason you're taking prep for something to go wrong. I was already on it. तो मेरी दोस्ती वोस्ती होती थी होता था. अच्छा अंकुर में उसके बाद हम कहीं दूसरे कंट्री जाते. This guy messaged me saying, hey, and he asked me for some medicine. अब मेरे को because medicines पता है मैंने I said this is an HIV medicine of someone who has it. He said, yeah, darling, I told you, right? I'm HIV positive. So I'm looking at Ankur saying, what is he saying? That means I've really slept with someone where the condom is broken, where he is HIV positive. This is not red flagging. This is red flag times. This is like alert level or whatever. मैं तो फट गई. अब मैं जब बैंकॉक गया ये बात ऐसे भी जब हुई है ये थोड़े टाइम के बाद हुई है. मैं बैंकॉक गया मैंने पहले तो होम HIV टेस्ट ढूंढा ये वो. बट टू बी फेयर एनीथिंग विच यू डू विद इन 6 months is actually useless because the virus can take so long. So I anyways get tested twice a year. So you can still have these things. So I asked him later, I said, yeah, why did you do whatever? He said, no, but I think I kind of told you. So basically this guy lied to me. He never told me. But you have to be aware of people like this also who, you know, will just whatever. Because you don't know the sexual history of who you're sleeping with. मेरे साथ अलग कॉमेडी होती है. ये लड़की आई घर पे, वो मेरा टेस्टिंग ले रही है. शी न्यू मी, शी वाज अ फैन. ये वो बात बात कर रही है. बड़े खुशी से बोल रही, सर ये जब टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आएगा मैं आपको बताऊंगी. आज एक मेरे को नहीं चाहिए वाला टेस्ट पॉजिटिव दीदी. तो ऐसी ऐसी चीजें होती रहती है. बट आई थिंक प्रेप इज अ गुड वे फॉर यू टू बी केयरफुल. आई ऑल्सो फील इन इंडिया अ लॉट ऑफ एजुकेशन, सेक्स एजुकेशन अबाउट prep does not exist because also in India you have a lot of thing called MSM, where a lot of men don't identify as being gay, but MSM is men who have sex with men. That means they could be married, but they might just have sex with men because sexuality is also about romance and this and that. तो इंडिया में बहुत होता है जहाँ two men are fucking but they don't identify as gay. उसमें क्या होता है, you're putting so many families at risk because that sex is usually unprotected. And the MSM phenomenon in India is very big. So I feel like here I think protection is a
And I
little
think in
more.
India we also only focus on like big diseases like HIV and things like these, but there are so many STIs that a lot of people don't
You
talk
can get
about.
syphilis, gonorrhea, you can get herpes. I've met people who've had herpes. So you want to be careful.
Since you've spoken a lot about sex and of course you do that a lot on your content as well, what about romance? क्या आपको सच्चा प्यार हुआ है कभी?
मेरे को सच्चे प्यार 2 बार हुआ है और मेरी लग गई है उस पे.
लड़के से या लड़की से?
पिछले 2 बार तो लड़कों से हुआ. एक बार जब मेरे को लड़की से प्यार हो गया, मेरा जो करंट बिज़नेस पार्टनर उसने मेरा प्यार तुड़वाया है. ओके?
Why?
आई वाज़ इन धर्मशाला. मेरे को बहुत टाइम के बाद एक लड़का. आई एम वेरी शैलो. आई नीड पीपल टू बी गुड लुकिंग एंड रिच. Okay? I am not going to fall in love with someone
Love
who's
that.
not rich and who's not good looking because listen, I worked very hard and I want a partner who can go with me anywhere. मेरे को बच्चा पैदा करना था उस टाइम पे. 5 साल पहले की बात है. मेरे को मिली एक लड़की. Okay, she was sunbathing topless in Dharamshala on a terrace or whatever. वहाँ की
Indian or
vibe
फिरंग?
इंडियन गर्ल. वहाँ की वाइब बड़ी तगड़ी होती है. तो मस्ती वस्ती मेरी बात बात होगी. मैंने उसको देखा, कुछ बोला and we started having some crazy sex. बड़ा मजा आया. मेरे को प्यार हो गया था उससे. वो रिलेशनशिप चालू हो गया. हम गए योगा क्लास में. सो दिस वेरी गुड लुकिंग बॉय इन अ डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा. मेरे को उससे प्यार हो गया. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी गड़बड़ वड़बड़ हो गई थी. Now in situations like this, I fell in love with that boy, and of course that girl was very heartbroken. But I had to sort of convey that if that's not my orientation, it is. One of the guy I was really in love with, we were living together. ये वो काफी हमारी चीजें थी. That went to hell. For the last 2 years, of course, I have a relationship with someone who I dated him, but he didn't date me.
एक
But
तरफा प्यार.
वो तो नहीं, वो पूरा relationship ही था. We just didn't, whatever. But he now is one of my closest friends. So I always say, I said, I think I choose boyfriends who give me I don't have boyfriends, I have boyfriends with benefits. So I have boyfriends where मेरे को जो romance वाला प्यार चाहिए वो उस बंदे से मिल रहा है. बाकी मैं I'm sleeping with everyone, I'm doing everything, I'm doing whatever I want. But me and love is if I really date someone, monogamy is very big for me. Fidelity is very big for me. Think तुमको if you want to fuck everyone, then don't make that promise to each other. You don't need to have more fun together.
But you're open to that?
Which I'm very open to that. If I date a guy or a girl who's open to it, I like
No,
open.
are you open to so you want monogamy is what you're saying, or
I don't want monogamy. I want a relationship which is an open relationship, which means we
Oh.
can have fun together, which is you experience more things together.
but can you still call it सच्चा प्यार?
Actually, I think it's better because the one thing I have realized when I'm traveling so much, yeah, Arun, ये जो सारे couples जिनको मैं मिलता हूँ internationally, I've met them for one night and I moved on. They love each other, and love and sex don't have to necessarily go together. So I feel like, in fact, when I don't have insecurity, jealousy, or if I have a partner, if I'm dating you today, अगर तेरे को लगता है यार मैं किसी लड़के को या लड़की को देख भी नहीं सकता इसके सामने, somewhere. But if you're like, we see a guy say, listen,
या
we'll sleep.
देखना बट
But
सेक्सुअली
it's we're
इन्वॉल्व
an
होना
open relationship. We'll sleep with the guy, have fun. वो अपने रास्ते चलेगा, हमने अपनी मस्ती. We come back, because romance and sex are different. I'll be very open to it, but with someone who's also good looking. I keep saying rich also, but I need someone to be ambitious. If you are
But
someone
you
who
want to be a sugar daddy, so you
no, I
probably
joke about it actually, but if you see a lot of my content, I'm very clear about the fact that I can only, even the 19, 20-year-olds I've always been with or dated, have been people who either have a vision, who have a job. तुम jobless नहीं हो सकते. If you're an aspiring actor who's doing nothing and you're just looking for like whatever, that's not going to be my scene. It has to be someone
मैं
who has
थिएटर
ambition.
करता हूँ.
Huh?
मैं थिएटर करता हूँ.
Yeah.
That
No,
people.
I mean, if you're rich, it's all very good. But for me, like because I think, you know, ये यार जब बंदियां बोलती है हमको ऐसा लड़का चाहिए who is doing well, settled, or what, ठीक है. When we say it sounds shallow. होगा, but you know, like
नहीं अगर है भी तो ठीक है ना, मतलब you
मैं
do
तो
what
बहुत
you.
shallow हूँ. मैं तो like, if you're not good looking, I'm not entertained only, then what am I
I
going
don't
to
think
do?
it's shallow. It's just your preference.
Yeah,
So
and
it's
the
fine.
other preference I usually have is I like my I'm very clear about also the preference in terms of guys. Like I've been very clear about the fact that I don't like girly boys. Like I like, which I've been very open about saying, again, because again that's a preference. Like a lot of guys will say I like really masculine men. I don't like masculine men also, because if you're very big muscle wise, फिर मैं तुम्हारे क्या करूँ? फिर तो it'll be ulta. I have to say भैया दर्द हो रहा है. So I'm very clear about the fact that I like boyish guys and I like feminine girls, because to me, I think the best part being bi is this I've got trolled for, I remember. So when you keep saying, I remember they said, but you know, you are, aren't you, I think they called it bottom shaming or something. I said, but I'm also saying I don't like really muscular guys. But the muscle guys are not offended. Why are you getting offended? That's about
While
your
you
own
were
insecure.
saying that you kind of are averse to the idea of, sorry, कुछ beep कर रहा है क्या? Oh, sorry.
Hmm.
When you said that you're kind of averse to the idea of dating
Femboys.
femboys,
Yeah.
I was also like, this is gonna get like,
But
you know,
again, see, this is interesting.
problematic.
So the femboys might get offended, but
Opinions.
if I'll say I don't like really muscular guys, I've never had a muscle guy who says, "Bhai, tu aise kyun bol raha hai?" So I think that speaks more about their own insecurity.
Ah, got it.
I actually like guys who are just like, actually, Arun, I like your frame. It's nice.
Okay, that has
He's like, let's wrap.
Um,
वो बेचारा परेशान हो गया.
no, I was gonna say that has made my day, but of course I fumbled. But thank you very much. With this, we've come to the end of this conversation. बहुत बढ़िया लगा. आपकी जर्नी इतनी कमाल की रही है. मैं मतलब अभी इतना ज़्यादा हम करियर के बारे में बात नहीं कर पाए. But यार, starting from CNN at the age of
I was 16 when I became a journalist first. CNN तो मैं 18
16.
पे गया था. 16 पे तो I was a पत्रकार with Times of India.
Wow. And then you started your
Then
TV
I,
journey with CNN. Wow. And now you are 40 plus? Damn. बहुत बहुत inspiring, Mr. Paras. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. With this, we've come to the end of this conversation. Thank you very much.
pleasure.
धन्यवाद.